Sensibility and practicality define the 2021 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, power moonroof, lane departure warning, adjustable pedals, and voice-activated navigation. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.